Bruh, that sounds like the beginning of a scary movie. You got to get up out of there. Nature is beautiful from a distance, not that close. Mm-mm. That sound too much like the sound that you hear in the scary movies when the demons start screaming at you, and it's got high pitches and low pitches and different kind of like frequencies all mixed in one. That's not the sound I want to hear when I'm standing next to that big horned out beast. Yep, when it turned back and looked at me like that, I'd have been like, and I'm out. I ain't got no time for this. I'm out. Nope.